how is the 5-year government? Now it's about to finish, you are about to finish 5 years.
Because actually with the blessing of the central leaders like Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, and with the support of the masses in the state, I could conclude my 5-year term with peace and development. My purpose was harmoniously coexistence between the community. So which was already broken by the previous government in the last 20-30 years. I could make it in the last 5 years that we are together now. I could make it that free, blockade free, and general strike free state in the last 5 years. And the people's youth, everyone is marching towards the development now.
So how many seats are you expecting this time?
No, earlier just we got only 21, but we run a coalition government. But during that coalition, I was facing a lot of problems, many times. Instability, the push and the pull between the government was there. So, but luckily, with the blessings, I could manage, and the peace time has spent in the last 5 years. So this time I am expecting not less than 46 in the speech.
Okay.
BJP alone.
Okay. So is there any chance of any seat sharing with any party?
No, as of now, we are not going to share any pre-poll alliance with anybody, but at the coalition dharam, as per the higher authority advice, coalition dharam ko hum nibayenge.
Okay.
But it will be settled, it will be after the poll.
Will Armed Forces Special Power Act in future will go, or where do you see?
No, Bikash ji, I am against the Armed Forces Special Power Act.
Okay.
But before taking any conclusion, we have to take the ground reality. Because our priority is the nation first. Nation's integrity, nation's unity, and nation's safety is very much important. Many militants are still existing in the state. Right now, they are not surrendering their weapons and they are inside the tent. And our state is bordering with the Myanmar. So, keeping all these kind of things before removing by the state government, it is my sole responsibility and the duty. I think that I have to consult with the center. See, now the situation is improved. Because law and order is another sin, but the national security is another sin. We should bifurcate these two. Law and order is a state matter. My priority is to remove the AFSPA from the state, but first, before that, I have to see the national security first.
What do you think? Why people should vote BJP?
People want peace, development. BJP has given. Now, even earlier, at 5 p.m., everything was closed. No human movement, nothing. But now you come and see, just up to the 11 midnight. People are roaming. Shops are opening. People are doing their own business. Totally, united, and the youth and the women are doing their own business. So, these are the things which the general people's life. These are people want. So, BJP has given. We are doing for the people, for the welfare of the people. So, people ko to safety chahiye, peace chahiye, शांति chahiye, development chahiye, wahi de rahe na hum log. So, people want us to come back again.
Will Biren Singh continue to be the chief ministerial face of the BJP in Manipur?
You see, BJP is a very disciplined and a very well-organized party. The leadership decision is taken by the central leaders through democratic process. So I cannot say individually that I will be there.
Okay.
But as far as the masses is concerned, people are concerned, I can say people love me.
There was a allegation that hill is there is no priority to hill, and value is given more priority. So how far you have been able to achieve?
Oh, just as some question was come up from the some elected members of the hill areas, and the government has given a white paper of the budget provided for the development of the hills. There, during this 5 years tenure, we provided 45% of the total budget in development.
Recently, means in say last 3-4 months, there has been some activity from the militants after the Assam Rifles and now one or two small blasts. Are militants that strong?
No. These are all politically instigated things.
Okay.
Politically, they want to show that you see Biren government, BJP government claiming that we are peaceful. So in the last time they are doing this, but most of the that suspected people have been picked up and now jail. तो छोटा मोटा है ये जो ड्रग पेडलर है जो ड्रग खाके एडिक्ट करता है वो लोग को यूज करके थोड़ा छोटा मोटा डिमांड कराया.
ओके.
तो वही है बस इसमें पॉलिटिकली इंस्टिगेटेड थिंग्स है नथिंग.
Now since the election commission has put lot of restriction on rallies. Yes. So how are you planning to reach to the people?
Fortunately, recently Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated around 1,336 Wi-Fi connectivity in the entire state. Even it has reached to the remotest part of the hills. So just we are planning and started for digital campaigning.
Okay.
So there will be connectivity, and we can do it.
Okay. So Biren sahab, best of luck.
Thank you, Bikash.